From your PMP examination, you should know the difference between a product scope and a project scope. In this video, I'll help you understand that and kind of make it a bit interactive by asking a lot of questions, and you can yourself go and tell us what is the product scope and what is the project scope, so that this will help you understand the questions in the PMP examination when you get it. Okay, let's get started. Now, let's say you are asked to make a door of a car. Okay, the project is that a particular car door needs to have so many features. Okay, the features of the car door. Now, what kind of door do you want? Do you want an opening door that opens upwards? Okay, or do you want a sliding door, or do you want a door that just opens normally? Then that's part of the door. Now, in the door, what kind of knob do you want? Do you want a pulling knob to open the car door, or do you want a button, or you want a fingerprint sensor? All these are the product features. We have to do this. When we go and do this work, it becomes a project scope. Getting it? When we do all these things to make that car door with all those features is the project scope. Project scope is doing the work that you want to achieve. Like I'm showing a small picture where a man is doing a work to complete a particular task, to make a feature. Feature is from the product, doing the work from the project. Okay, that should give you a fair understanding. Now let me give you some questions and try to answer them so that you understand better what is a product scope and what is a project scope. I've got a list with me. I'm going to call out this list. Okay, first example is easy. The door of a car. How should it look? A sliding door or opening door? Is it a project scope or product scope? It is a product scope. Then visual effects on your website. When people come to your website, the first thing they should see, how is it looking? It becomes a product feature. Right? That's a product scope. Now next one. Testing in your project. Is it product or project? Testing is validating something, doing work in your project to ensure the project is not having issues. So that is a project scope. Okay. Next, meetings. Where will meetings fall? Project scope. Getting it? You're doing the work. Then you're making a software that is compatible for mobile and tablet. Now, does it come this having the compatibility? I'm talking about the compatibility of the software. Okay. For mobile and tablet, it is a product feature. Clear? Next, multiple levels in your video game. Is it project scope or product scope? Can you guess it? It's product scope. Multiple levels. If you're getting the answers right, put a comment in the video. Then, giving a sign off after testing. Is it a product scope or project scope? It is a project scope. Next, documenting the lessons learned. Again, project scope. Doing coding for the project scope. Making a dashboard for the customer. Customer wants a dashboard to look in this way. He wants a pie chart, he wants a bar chart, he wants real-time views, or he wants the data from all these places coming in. So this becomes a product scope. Then in websites, okay, we kind of scroll down. So sometimes it just shows like top 10 comments, and you want to add pagination. Okay, now adding the pagination, now is it a product scope or a project scope? The product should have pagination, so that's a product scope. Getting it? So these are some of the examples of project scope and product scope. For your PMP examination, you should be able to kind of understand the difference between these two so that you can understand the question well. What is the question talking about? Then that will help you answer most of the questions. I'll be recording another video in which I'll be talking about what are the primary outputs in the project scope management. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, drop a comment. If you're looking for one-on-one coaching, drop me an email. I'll guide you on how to pass PMP examination. Thank you for watching my video. This is arham.faraaz. Do subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Product scope, project scope.